Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome to Anlex TV, where flavor meets soul. My name is Annie B, and you read the caption. In today's video, we are making shrimp egg foo young. If you love egg foo young, if you love Chinese food, and you like Caribbean food, you are going to love this fusion with Caribbean ingredients and flavor. Okay, and it still has that nice authentic shrimp egg foo young flavor with juicy plump shrimp on top, because you know I had to do it. Okay, when I say this was so good, and the gravy was a masterpiece gravy. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna say, ain't nothing to it but to get into it. Here I am quickly making my own sesame oil. I'm gonna use a little bit of that to go into the gravy to add that nice savory sesame seed taste to the gravy. I just poured some hot oil over the sesame seeds and then strained it, and boom, you have a very quick and simple sesame oil. Boom. Here I'm making some white rice. In this video, I won't be showing you guys how I make my white rice, but I have a lot of videos where I am making rice, okay? And that is just to go with the egg foo young. Love white rice with my egg foo young. So here I am prepping my scallions. I'm going to give those a nice chop. And then here I'm prepping some onions. I'm slicing these thinly. Boom, bada boom. And then here I have some cabbage that I'm also slicing thinly as well, and some Scotch bonnet pepper. The Scotch bonnet is going to add a nice unique spice and flavor to the shrimp egg foo young. Here I got my big juicy old shrimp. Now some of these I'm going to be cutting up to add into the egg mixture, while the others I'm going to be pan searing and just putting on top of the egg foo young, because I want an extra shrimp. Okay, I'm using this 5-spice seasoning. It has anise, ginger, cinnamon, fennel, and black pepper in there. Gave the shrimp and the egg foo young in a whole a very nice flavor. I'm using some Jamaican curry, so that's another Caribbean element. Then the ground allspice is another Caribbean element. Black pepper and some complete seasoning. Right, then we're going to give it a good mix. And we're using those same exact seasonings on the shrimp that we're not chopping up. So same deal. Then I'm going to go ahead and slightly cook this. All right, you could just add it into your egg foo young and then have it cook that way, but I wanted to slightly cook it, so it still needs a little bit more cooking time. And when I cook it with the eggs, it'll cook and be nice and juicy and just perfect. Okay, now these shrimp I'm cooking through thoroughly. Okay, just about 2 minutes per side. Okay, so good. Look at that color on that. So this was delicious. Absolutely delicious. The best shrimp egg foo young, the best egg foo young period I've ever had. All right, so authentically, it's bean sprouts that's usually put in a egg foo young. I did not have bean sprouts, but I did have cabbage. And in the Caribbean, we do love cabbage. So I said, you know, I'm going to use cabbage because Chinese also love cabbage as well. So that's what we're adding into our shrimp egg foo young. Here I'm scrambling 8 eggs. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped shrimp in my scrambled egg. I'm going to add my cooked cabbage. You want to cook the cabbage a bit. You still want a little bite to it, but you don't want to cook the raw cabbage in it. And you know, that's my personal taste. Then I added the scallions, the onions, the Scotch bonnet, some salt, black pepper, soy sauce, and I have this umami mushroom seasoning that is so good. And it tasted amazing, and it's added a little bit of that. And then we're going to go ahead and mix everything together. Like so. And now here I have a cornstarch slurry, which is a little bit of water and a little bit of cornstarch. I'm going to add some of that to the eggs. It helps to crisp up the eggs and also helps to hold all the vegetables and stuff in there nicely. So I just have 1 spoonful into a pot of a little bit of oil. And we're going to make our egg foo young. I was so excited to make this. Been scrolling on YouTube. And you guys know what I've been telling you. If I'm scrolling and I see something that looks good, I go ahead and make it. And I always make it my own. So this is a Caribbeanized shrimp egg foo young. And then my little flip there. Okay. Look at the color on that. Look at the crisp. You can see the little crispy bits on there. Oh, that's the best part. The crispy bits on there. And that was time for our gravy. So in a little bit of oil, I'm adding in some onions, some scallion, and some Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to go ahead and season. I'm going to add some ground ginger. You can use fresh ginger if you want to. And then here I have some chicken broth. Now, just a little tip, a little trick, and some soy sauce. My chicken broth is actually water mixed in with the top ramen seasoning. Yes, it is. And let me tell you something. It came out great. It came out amazing. All right. And then I added that umami seasoning and the rest of my cornstarch slurry, as well as some sesame oil. And you're just going to keep stirring that until you get this nice, look at that. Yum. so good. Oh my gosh, when I say this was so, that gravy was on point. Such a simple gravy too, but it just tasted so good. My mother tasted, she said, oh my gosh. She said it tastes like the Chinese Egg Foo Young, but even better. And I promise you it did. Trust me, if you love Egg Foo Young, you love shrimp, you love, your Chinese flavors, and you love Caribbean flavors, this is a fusion recipe that you absolutely want to try. Just look at how glossy, brown, and beautiful that gravy looks. Topped with the shrimp, doing my favorite thing, which is plating. So I'm adding some scallion garnish and some red pepper flakes. And man, this came out so good. Okay, the complete recipe is down in the description box below. I thank every single one of you for tuning in. I pray and hope that you all have been well. God bless. Let me know if you would order this. Let me know if you would order the Caribbeanized version of a shrimp Egg Foo Young down in the comments below. All right, God bless, and of course, peace.